Welcome back, Curry Crew. So you may have noticed that today's video seems to be a little bit on the short side compared to normal. Well, today, instead of doing just a plain old recipe, we're gonna do something a little bit different today. For today's video, we're gonna keep it nice and short and simple, and we're gonna announce the 3 winners of our 500 subscriber raffle. So, drum roll, please. So, the first winner that we have is The Gamer. Congratulations, you have won the 500 subscriber raffle. The second subscriber that we have is Shadolo and Kruti Takora. Congratulations, guys. We are looking forward to your recipe as well. And last but not least, we have the channel by the name of Radiant Confidence. So guys, those are our winners for the 500 subscriber raffle. I know some of you have already written down what recipes you would like to see. If you haven't done so, just comment on this video down below what recipe that you would like as the winner of the raffle. And then what we'll do is, over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna start uploading the recipes that you guys have requested and you guys have won the rights to see on our channel. So without any further ado, guys, if you haven't done so, comment down below. For everybody else, better luck next time, but we are going to do something awesome for when we get to 1,000. So we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're going to do something big when we get there. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And for those of you who won, comment down below what you want. And guys, keep on cooking.